Hey guys, I will be doing a fall makeup look today, and a lot of you guys seem to like it when I speak more, so this is going to be a talk through video. I really hope you guys enjoy. So first I'm going to start with this primer. It's a new one that I got, so I don't really know how this works, if I'm being honest. I'm kind of scared. I think I put too much. It's okay. I've never put on primer, so I don't know how this works. I'm not a beauty guru either, so yeah, don't judge me. And it comes with a beauty blender too, so let me get that. I've never done this before, so I'm kind of scared. What if I do this wrong? But then again, I'm just blending it, so I don't know how this could go wrong. I think it's okay. So now I'm taking my mermaid palette and taking this yellow right here and putting it on my crease. So I'm just gonna put it like up here, like underneath my brow bone, but not fully on my crease. So this is what's gonna pop whenever I put on the other colors on top. You can't really tell, but it's there. Okay, now I'm taking this like medium brown that's right here and putting that one on my crease. So right below the yellow. By the way, I really like this brush. I got it from like the Halloween collection. I think it's so cute and like cool because it has red and then has this like texture on it. I think it's really cool. And speaking of cool, actually the same day I got this skull right here. I think it's really cool, and it's just white with gold detailing everywhere. I think it's so cool and pretty. I just had to get it. Random, I'm sorry. I'm like getting off topic, but yeah. Just take the brush and just blend that all out so there won't be any harsh edges. And I like how I'm talking like if I were a beauty guru, even though I just said that I'm not. But it's okay. I kind of know what I'm doing. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm going to take this coppery color right here. I think it's so pretty. And I'll put that on my center, on my lid, with my finger. And this color is so, so pretty. Like, look at that. It's so... I feel like it just kind of ties the whole look together because it makes it more fall. And it's just so pretty. Do y'all see that? Like, oh, that is so pretty. I can't get enough of this color. Do y'all see that? I'm almost finished with the eye look. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, and then I use two mascaras. So I use this CoverGirl Clump Crusher for length, and then I use this one for volume. It's an e.l.f. mascara. So Sorry, I'm not saying much, but I really like this mascara because it really lengthens my lashes. Makes them look super duper long and pretty, and I just love it. See how pretty that like just changed it. But already my lashes are starting to look super pretty. And then now I just take the volume mascara and put that on as well. I love mascara, and then for me, the one thing, like, if I could only wear one makeup product only, I would choose mascara. I feel like that's the one thing that just makes everything look good. Besides the brows, but me, I don't actually have to do anything to my brows, thankfully. So, for me, it would just be mascara. See how that looks? Oh my gosh. It looks so pretty. So now I'm just waiting for my mascara to dry, and then I'm gonna recurl my lashes, and now that is what's gonna give my eyelashes like the full volume, the full length, make them look so pretty. But while we're waiting, I just did my nails. Well, yesterday I did my nails, and I'm so happy. I'm so proud of them. I just did like this like pink coral ombre with gold glitter, and I think it'll turn out really pretty. I'm like obsessed. I think it's so cute. And now I just feel like, I don't know, I love them. But yeah. So while we wait for my lashes to finish drying, I'm going to take this loose powder highlighter and put that on my inner corners and on my brow bone. And now that is usually what makes it look so pretty, make everything pop, bring everything together, and it just looks so pretty. Oops, I put way too much on this one. I overdid it. It's okay. Can't really tell because the lighting is to the side, but and then highlight is so pretty. I just love things that sparkle, and highlight is one of those things that I love. The only thing is I can't put it on my cheeks because it makes me break out. So sadly that sucks. I love highlighter and I love how it looks on the cheeks, but for me, I just have to stay away from it unless I want to break out. So now by this time my lashes have dried. Now I can recurl my lashes, and now it looks so much longer and prettier. I really like this makeup. This is a better lighting of the makeup. You can see the highlight and everything. So that's the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys.